Do you want to fight your fibromyalgia naturally? Fibromyalgia is a chronic condition that is often difficult to diagnose. It predominantly affects women and begins in middle age, though men, teens, and older people may also develop it. People with a fibromyalgia diagnosis sometimes struggle to manage symptoms that leave them extremely fatigued, in chronic pain, dizzy, and depressed. Unfortunately, most approaches towards fibromyalgia management only focus on controlling the symptoms of fibromyalgia and never really do anything to address the root cause. Worse than that, the relief provided by traditional approaches such as medications are only short-lived. There are many fibromyalgia sufferers out there who are not only looking for answers but also a route of treatment that addresses the cause of the issue and does so naturally. Upper cervical care is a unique approach for those suffering with fibromyalgia that seek to detect and correct atlas misalignments. We focus on this area because when the atlas misaligns, it affects the normal function of the brainstem, which controls many of the critical functions of our body, including respiration, hormone balance, and pain processing. The brainstem and spinal cord are responsible for transmitting signals to and from the brain. Distorted signals can lead to abnormal pain processing, as is the case in people with fibromyalgia. Upper cervical care has had proven success in helping people cope with fibromyalgia naturally. In one case, a 31-year-old female with fibromyalgia took only 2 months of upper cervical care to see a significant decrease in her symptoms. Over the course of the entire 18-month-long study, she received 5 atlas corrections and reported that she no longer required medications to manage her symptoms. Fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome are 2 of the most common conditions we see in our Hendersonville office. Dr. Henri Dalias and Dr. Arthur Plessa are trained in upper cervical care, which is designed to gently correct atlas misalignments in the upper neck that frequently lead to fibromyalgia symptoms. If you've been suffering from the symptoms of fibromyalgia or chronic fatigue syndrome, upper cervical care may be the answer you've been hoping for. To learn more about upper cervical care, call 828-698-6677 or visit our website at www.theapplevalleyclinic.com.